A router is a useful but aggressive tool. If you don't stage your cuts correctly, you can end up with some nasty tear out that can spoil a workpiece. So here's a couple ways to prevent the most common router tear out. One of the most common forms of tear out occurs as the bit exits the cut. The easiest way to prevent this is to clamp a scrap of the same thickness as your workpiece right next to it on the bench top. The scrap will effectively make your workpiece wider during the cut, so when the router tears at those last fibers at the end, it'll be on the scrap, not the good material. A similar process may be used at the router table, only instead of clamping the scrap down, use it as a push block behind the workpiece. In this case, the scrap doesn't have to be of the same thickness as the good workpiece. Another place you may get tear out, or at least a ragged edge, is along the shoulder of a dado or a rabbet. A really sharp router bit will help, but so will some blue tape applied right over the dado before the cut is made. The bit will cut through the tape, which will hold the fibers together, reinforcing them against tear out.